We made it to Ride Creek. It's Thursday night. We got in just in enough time to do a rather quick track walk. I thought it would be good to just kind of try to do a little bit of a vlog style for this race. So this is the first Monster Energy Pro Downhill Series Race 1 at Ride Creek. Um, I got in a little bit before Steven. The park is looking great. I mean, it literally looks like some sort of a state park. Everything's nice, clean, landscaped. Track looks great. There were a handful of people still out. I think I got in around 6:30. Uh, Walked all the way to about the midway point. There were a couple of people coming down. Actually got to talk with Dakota for a little bit. And Steven was probably about 30 minutes behind me. I got to check out where the Sun Tour hole shot spot's going to be, where you can earn $500 for the fastest person that gets to this particular point on the track. So I made my way up to the top, and there were quite a few changes at the top. One of the biggest was the new start box. Looks like a miniature Airbnb or a cabin. It was really nice. I was pretty surprised compared to their start box was always pretty big. It was like a big deck. It didn't have a covered area, but this is they definitely stepped up their game a little bit. Looks like you could have some like a concession stand or something up here, but great views up at the top. They did a really nice job with this, and yeah, it'd be fun to drop into here. It wasn't your typical little straight drop in either. It's kind of got like a curve to it, and so two of the trails actually go underneath that. So I guess it was a way for them to route the trail and still have people riding in the park and not interfering with the race. So I just kind of started making my way back down, and then I eventually caught up with Steven, and we walked back up again.
Hello. How's it go?
Practice starts tomorrow. Steven's racing Cat 1. I'm racing Cat 2. We're both racing on the same track, and I think his practice is at 11:30 and mine's at 2. I'll try to get a bunch of clips of Steven tomorrow during his practice and post them up. We'll see you on the next video.
All right, what'd you think of the track?
Looks fun.
Got
Ready to ride. That's a big jump.